I work for the sexual health team and I run certain projects. I work for the Lesbian, Gay, Bisexual project and I run Galaxy, which is a youth group for 13 to 19-year-olds. Throughout my daily job, I work in schools, colleges, universities and with other organisations, delivering sex education in schools, screening to universities and working with different projects such as Statutory Buddies, HIV prevention work.
Well, I nominated Zoe Holdcroft because of all the work that she's been doing over the last 10 years with the Partnership Trust around working with service users, making a real difference, and the way that she's worked with communities around HIV and sexual health, and some of those communities are often the ones most hard to reach as well.
I think working for the sexual health team, we've certainly improved the lives of many young people by providing accurate sexual health information, giving young people access to condoms and certainly chlamydia screening, and breaking down the barriers with sexual health, making sure that people are able to access these services. It's certainly making a big difference.
I think what Zoe shows more than anything else is empathy, understanding, and she goes out there, whether it's in the evening, whether it's a weekend, whether it's in the daytime, Zoe's there. She's got the trust of a lot of people in our communities, and I think that's absolutely amazing.
This is my 14th year working for SSOTP, so I'm certainly proud and thoroughly enjoy my job, and it certainly gives me the determination to get up every day.
I nominated the Broadfield Ward because when I was certainly in the early days of my recovery, I was pretty much a cabbage. Never woke up from one day to the next. They brought me right the way through that, and then when I came to the actual recovery process from probably about August onwards, all the staff here were really helpful, really useful. Never gave me a moment to concern myself about my ultimate sort of safety, so they gave me confidence right from day one.
I enjoy working for SSOTP because I'm privileged to be part of a team. We have physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech and language, psychology, and all them disciplines together mean that we can provide a really effective and all-round care for the patients.
Everything I've wanted, they've delivered in a friendly, smiley way. Never seemed like anything to them was a stress, and that goes for everybody here.
I'm delighted that the team's been nominated. I think it's well deserved on all levels, from domestic staff up to ward managers and clinical leads. The team do a fantastic job, and they truly care about the patients that they're delivering the care for.
Here at Brighton House, we provide a residential service for people that have been in hospital, have been poorly, have had an accident, but are not quite ready to go home. What we do, we support them to enable them to build confidence, with mobility, with daily living skills. We have support staff, a therapy staff that can support them to build confidence and bring them to a baseline to be able to get them back home. We also provide that service so that to try and minimise the risks of admission to hospital. So where people in the community have also had an illness or had a fall, and it's not deemed for them that they're ill enough to go to hospital, they will come to us and we'll support them to gain confidence, build stamina, and also to get them back home. I'm really proud that we've been nominated because it's almost like a seal of approval that the work that the girls are doing is excellent.
You do the best for the patients and they're very kind, I'm quick-tempered, but they're very kind.
They are lovely to me because they help me in my needs. So you couldn't want better than that. Because they all do a wonderful job. So that's all I can say to them. And just thank you.
I'm grateful for the kindness they show to me and their understanding and the goodness, they're helping me and all that. Many people would have got rid of me and forgot me. But these have helped me a lot, and I'm so grateful to them all.